Hey fam, have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Hey fam, if you work a job where you're constantly standing and your feet hurt and your knees hurt and just everything hurts, well, I've got a company for you. Let's just say you don't have a doggy to keep you company and make you feel better when you get home at the end of the day. So if you are feeling this way, I've got the perfect company for you, and their name is Panda Soothe. So you ask, who is Panda Soothe? Well, I'll tell you. They are a company who is pretty much here for mobility freedom, honey. They just want people to be able to move without having pain the eco-friendly way. We all know that bamboo has some amazing natural properties, and they have found a solution, honey. Support that wellness from the inside out. Between bamboo's softness, its antibacterial benefits, cushioning joints for boundless mobility without harming health or the planet, I'm here for that, okay? Let me give y'all my honest opinion, okay, honey? When I put these on to do chores around the house, your girl was feeling fantabulous, okay? I was like, yes, honey, yes, this is something I need for work, because, baby, standing on your feet that long definitely has your knees hurting, okay? I just want to say thank you to Panda Soothe for sending me these products. Let's get on with the silent blog.